down to E. And then I'm gonna go straight to that chord. Nice progression up top. So a B flat 13. I'm gonna take that G, bring it down to F, and I'm gonna go to my 2, and then I'm gonna play it like this. So I got D, A, this, J, D, and F, I, A. I just want to show you this chord progression that you can use. Say you were in the key of D flat. All right, you was doing the 2, 5, 1, E flat minor. All right, to A flat 7. All right, to that 1 D flat major. All right, sometimes you would play an advanced chord and play a 6th chord and may play it like that. So we're gonna take this chord and we're gonna use it as a minor chord in the key of B. All right, so what that'll sound like if I 2, 5, 1 it in D flat. All right, but what we're going to do, all right, we're going to take that same chord, and before we play this chord, let me give you these notes. We got D flat, A flat, D flat. All right, you don't have to play the A flat. Right hand, I'm playing F, B flat, E flat. All right, right before I play that chord, I'm going to play this chord here. Remember, we're operating in the key of B right now. So I give you this chord in C as well. All right, so we're gonna take this chord, it's A13. All right, notes, I got A, E on my left hand. Right hand, I got G, B, D flat, G flat up top. And I'm gonna take that G flat and bring it down to E. And then I'm gonna go straight to that chord. Nice progression there. All right. If I was to do it in the key of C, all right, that chord is gonna be built off the B flat. So I'm gonna say, all right, so let me give you those notes because I know people will ask. So left hand, I got B flat, all right. Right hand, I'm playing A flat, C, D, and then G up top. So a B flat 13. I'm gonna take that G, bring it down to F, and I'm gonna go to my 2, and then I'm gonna play it like this. So I got D and D on my left hand. Right hand, I got F sharp, B, and my phone picking up. So F sharp, B, and E. All right. For the hearing context, say we were playing something simple in the key of B. So yes, Jesus loves me. Right here. Right there. All right, and then you're gonna take it to your 5, then back to your 1. Sus. So just playing the E major chord, and then go to the B, the major chord, B major. All right. So yeah, take that chord from here and let it work for you. Once again, in C, it'll be. So whatever key you're in, you're going from the flat 7 to the 2. So if you want to get it in another key, you're really just basing it off the flat 7. So in C, right, the flat 7 is B flat. So that's where my first chord is going to come from. And then you're going to go to the 2. Remember, you're playing the 2 major as a 13 or a 6 chord. All right, so yeah, just wanted to share that with you. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.